Hi everyone and hello my crochet friends. How are you? Hope you will be fine. In this video I am sharing with you crochet lacy patterns in which crochet lacy round but designing and the patterns are looking so beautiful and easy to make. And some designs are along with these patterns, and my new beginner and crochet friends can easily understand them. So I hope you like it. So please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon. And for more crochet ideas you can visit my description box.